Chase Freedom Unlimited Card is a cashback card that has no annual fee and offers 1.5% rewards on all purchases. It also offers an introductory bonus of $150 after spending just $500 in the first 3 months from account opening. In addition to these features, you'll have access to a variety of benefits for travel and shopping, as well as protection against fraud or theft. To apply for this card, there are 4 simple steps. 1. Apply online at Chase Freedom Unlimited Card. 2. Complete your application with personal information such as name, address, social security number and date of birth. 3. Attach a copy of one piece of government-issued identification, a driver's license, state ID card or passport. And 4. Mail in your application. Chase Freedom Unlimited offers a low interest rate on purchases and balance transfers. Please note, Chase credit cards can only be applied for online. If you choose to apply by mail, the application will not be processed. Currently, this card is available to residents of the United States seeking a credit limit of at least $5,000. Good luck! Some of the benefits that you can enjoy with the Chase Freedom Unlimited Card include: earn 1.5% cashback rewards on all purchases, with no limits and no annual fee. Earn a $150 bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months from account opening. Access a variety of benefits for travel and shopping, as well as protection against fraud or theft. Low interest rate on purchases and balance transfers. Online access to your account. Cell phone protection against damage or theft for eligible phones purchased with your card. The Chase Freedom Unlimited Card is a great way to earn cashback on all of your purchases. You'll earn 1.5% rewards on every purchase, with no limits and no annual fee. Plus, you'll get a $150 bonus after spending just $500 in the first 3 months from account opening. This card also offers a low interest rate on purchases and balance transfers, so it's a great option for anyone looking to save money. And since the Chase Freedom Unlimited Card is available online only, you'll have access to your account information at any time. If you're looking for a credit card with a low Intro APR, the Chase Freedom Unlimited Card is worth considering. This card offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months from account opening. Plus, you'll earn 1.5% cashback rewards on all purchases, with no limits and no annual fee. After the intro period is over, you'll have a variable APR of 13.49% to 24.49%. So if you're looking for an introductory APR on new purchases and balance transfers, this card could be a good option for you. This card is available to US residents who are at least 18 years old. Applicants should have a credit score of 680 or higher. Please note, Chase credit cards can only be applied for online. If you choose to apply by mail, the application will not be processed. Check your rate now. Subject to credit approval. Minimum interest charge, $1.50 per credit plan. Offer valid for consumer accounts in good standing. Is subject to change without notice. See Chase Freedom Unlimited Rewards Program Rules and Regulations, PDF, for more information. Cashback rewards. 1% cashback on all other purchases. 2% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. 3% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter you activate. After the first 15 months, the cashback rewards will be 1% on all purchases. Bonus rewards. When you spend $500 in net purchases during each quarterly reward period ending March 31st, June 30th, September 30th, and December 31st, you'll earn a $150 bonus. Net purchase is any purchase that is minus any returns, credits and adjustments. There's no limit on the number of quarterly bonus rewards you can earn if you maximize your purchases in each quarter, you could earn a $300 bonus every year. One of the best things about the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is that there's no annual fee. That means you can earn rewards without having to worry about paying any extra fees. Another great thing about the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is that your cashback rewards never expire. That means you can earn rewards and save them up for a rainy day without having to worry about them expiring. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is a great way to earn cashback on all of your purchases. But before you apply for this card, there are a few things you should know. First, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card comes with a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months from account opening. This could be a great option if you're looking to finance a large purchase or transfer a balance from another card. Second, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers 1.5% cashback rewards on every purchase, with no limits and no annual fee. So, if you're looking for a card that will give you rewards for every purchase you make, this is a great option. Credit score. You don't need an excellent credit score to be approved for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Applicants should have a credit score of 680 or higher to be considered. This makes the Chase Freedom Unlimited card a great option for those who are looking to rebuild their credit. And, since the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is available online only, you can easily access your account information at any time. So, if you're looking for a credit card with a low intro APR and no annual fee, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is worth considering. This is the second of 2 Chase Freedom Unlimited cards available to consumers. The other one is through Walmart, which has a higher cashback rate, but excludes purchases made outside of Sam's Club from earning the additional rewards. That card also comes with an annual fee of $45 for individuals or $95 for couples that can be waived if you're a Sam's Club member. This card has an annual fee of $0 after the first year, making it great for people that are looking to earn cashback on all of their purchases without worrying about paying extra fees. The Chase Freedom Unlimited offers unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase in your first year up to $20,000 spent. Low intro APR. When you're ready to redeem your rewards, you can choose to have a check sent to you in the mail or receive a direct deposit from Chase into your bank account. You can also opt to use PayPal or get money back with a statement credit. This card is currently accepted at all major retailers and offers 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 15 months. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card typically has a sign-up bonus of $150 to $200 when you spend at least $500 in your first 3 months after opening an account. The cashback rewards are unlimited, so you will be able to keep earning cash rewards every time you use your card. You can redeem your cashback rewards in a variety of ways, or have them automatically added to your balance if that's what works best for you. It offers 15 months at 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers, but a 3% intro balance transfer fee, 5% after the intro period. There is no annual fee. No annual fee. Chase Freedom Unlimited gives you 1.5% cashback on every purchase, with no limits and no annual fee. To redeem your rewards, all you have to do is go online at Chase's website or log into your account through their iOS, Android app. Note: this card does not have a sign-up bonus, so if you are looking to get this card for the sole reason of maximizing your cashback, it's probably best to look at other options. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is an entry-level credit card issued by Chase Bank that is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Cashback rewards do not expire. Chase Freedom Unlimited has a great 1.5% cashback rate on all purchases made, no matter the category, and an easy-to-use rewards program. It also has no annual fee, which is quite rare for cards with such high rates of cashback, and makes this card extremely competitive amongst other cards in its class. If you're considering the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, it offers some great benefits. With an unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, this card is perfect for those who want to earn rewards on every purchase they make. And, since there is no annual fee, you can keep earning rewards without worrying about extra fees.